Can you be an international money changer with Monese? Ever been stuck abroad, fumbling with wads of cash trying to get a decent exchange rate? Or maybe you're an expat, constantly sending money back home and getting hit with hidden fees. We've all been there. But what if there was a way to exchange money easily, without getting ripped off on conversion rates? That's where Monese comes in. But can you actually ditch the dusty traveler's checks and dodgy exchange booths with Monese? Let's dive in. The hassle of traditional money exchange. First, let's face it, traditional money exchange is a pain. You never quite know what rate you're getting until you're already at the counter, with airport exchange booths notorious for terrible margins. Hidden fees lurk everywhere, and the process can be slow and inconvenient. Think about it. You have to physically go somewhere, wait in line, hand over your cash or card, and hope for the best. Then there's the security risk of carrying large amounts of foreign currency. Not exactly ideal in today's digital world. Monese, a modern approach to money. Monese offers a different approach. It's a mobile app that lets you manage your money in multiple currencies. You can open a free Monese account in minutes and start sending, receiving, and spending money abroad with ease. So, can you exchange money with Monese? Not exactly in the traditional sense. You can't physically walk into a Monese store and swap your naira for euros. But here's the beauty, Monese uses a system called mid-market rates, which is essentially the average rate currencies trade for on the global market. This means you get a fair, transparent exchange rate without any sneaky hidden fees. Here's how it works. Let's say you're traveling from Nigeria to France and want to convert some naira, NGN, to euros, euro. You open the Monese app, select the amount of NGN you want to convert, and Monese shows you exactly how much euro you'll receive. No surprises, no hidden charges. Benefits of exchanging money with Monese. There are several advantages to using Monese for your international money exchange needs. Fairer rates. Monese uses mid-market rates, so you know you're getting a good deal. No more tourist traps with terrible conversion rates. Transparency. Monese shows you the exchange rate up front before you convert your money. No surprises, just clear and transparent fees. Convenience. Exchange money anywhere, anytime with just a few taps on your phone. Ditch the dusty traveler's checks and forget about scrambling to find a decent exchange booth. Security. Monese uses state-of-the-art security measures to keep your money safe. No more worries about carrying large amounts of cash abroad. Things to consider. While Monese offers a great alternative to traditional money exchange, there are a few things to keep in mind. Minimum conversion amounts. There may be minimum amounts you need to convert to avoid fees. Check Monese terms and conditions for details. Weekend and overnight fees. Monese mid-market rate might not apply during weekends or overnight hours. Always double-check the rate before converting during these times. Monese, not just for exchange rates. Monese goes beyond just offering competitive exchange rates. It's a fully functional mobile banking app that lets you manage your finances internationally. You can open a free Monese account in minutes. Send and receive money internationally with ease. Spend money abroad using your Monese debit card. Get instant notifications for all your transactions. Is Monese right for you? If you're a frequent traveler, expat, or anyone who needs to manage money in multiple currencies, then Monese is definitely worth considering. It offers a convenient, secure, and cost-effective way to exchange money and manage your finances on the go. Monese isn't a magic bullet, but it can certainly save you time, money, and a whole lot of hassle on your next international adventure. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.